Welcome to IS6 tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up MT4 multiple accounts on your Android device. To begin, open the IS6 Technologies MetaTrader 4 platform. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from our website and follow the installation instructions. Once MT4 is open, you will see the main interface. To log into multiple accounts, go to the menu at the top left corner and tap the menu button and select Manage Accounts. It will navigate to the Accounts area, where you can see that you are already logged into an account. To add multiple accounts, tap the plus button and select Login to an existing account. Now search for IS6 within the MT4 app. This will display options for IS6 Technologies, demo accounts, and live accounts. Enter the login ID and password and tap the Sign In button. You are now logged into multiple accounts on MT4 and ready to start trading. Congratulations! You have successfully set up multiple accounts on MT4 on your Android device. Thank you for choosing IS6. Happy trading!